the last year, we've been working really closely with integrators to make sure that we're filling any gaps that might have existed in the past. And we're really excited that in that time, we've been able to make sure that we have certified and validated integrations with all the major control platforms, both in CI and also in your direct-to-consumer space. So while we have Control4 and Crestron and Savant and Elan, Josh AI is coming around the corner, we also have things like a new partnership with Alarm.com, the ability to control Philips Hue or for Somfy to sit in a Samsung SmartThings environment. So really making sure that we have the full scope of projects that integrators are working on, from full home control systems all the way down to smaller, might just be motorized shading jobs.
Before we actually got into the motorized window treatments, it was actually I would say almost like a fear to start with that shouldn't be something that we would typically want to promote. However, since we've introduced the shading solutions in our systems, I've seen a growth of about 4 times in the last year and a half. So the use of motorization in our automation systems has really complemented the customer's end user experience. Using Somfy with our automation installs has also simplified the process, and we really enjoy how seamless it works with our systems. It simplifies the system and the installation because of its ease of installation, its ease of programming and setup. The support we get from Somfy has been great in being able to educate our guys and to make it a lot faster, a lot cleaner, and a lot more effective.
So motorized window category is a big category for us. We really enjoy it. Clients see a big benefit, and it's one of those areas when it comes to automation that's usually client requested versus us trying to really sell the option to the customer. Makes the process a lot easier. And with advancement in technology and being able to go into retrofit and advancements in battery and wireless technology, it's given us a lot more flexibility to come into house and being able to offer that to a wider customer base. Yeah, there's really not a limitation. What the advancements has helped us with is the infrastructure that was required to do motorized windows in the past. So typically, on a retrofit job and the wiring requirements, you'd have to, if it wasn't a new construction or a major remodel, you'd have to tear a house apart to get the wire to the location. Now with advancements in battery and 2A wireless communication, we can offer the same level of performance and quality in a product that can, get installed with very little disturbance of the property. So what we've really enjoyed with the new Somfy Zigbee product is the ability to integrate with our primary control platform. And Somfy really took an approach considering the integrator as the actual person doing the install and commissioning it, and they've given us tools in their actual product for integration and deployment. So that's been a real time saving, real benefit when it comes to programming the control system and documentation. The other thing is they've given us near wired performance in a wireless platform.